Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Captain Beyblade 12. My sister. I'm gonna have
Contest.
a Subway Surfers contest. See which one of us
Gets the most points. Whoever gets the most points.
can stay alive the longest. So yeah,
And
let's just
watch the video to the end.
let's just get on into this.
Okay, ready? Let me have something to eat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's do this.
And let's start the contest. Don't do anything wrong, okay, Carson?
No, the game froze on me.
Okay, let me die, okay?
Okay, hold on, you guys. Okay, ready?
One, 2, 3. Oh no! I'm sorry.
Let's do this.
Carson, you have to die. You died too many times.
I keep dying. I don't know why.
Did you die?
Yeah. Hold on, guys.
1, 2, 3, press.
You guys ready for this? Let's do this. This time we're not losing.
Did you die?
No. Because I just told you, this time we're not losing.
Did you get a letter?
Yeah, I got a letter.
What was it?
It was G for go. There's some learning, kids. And I don't want to hear it because it's learning. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a good Sunday. Oh, dang it. We died again. Slippery fingers, but we're going to try this again. Yeah, let's do this again.
3, 2, what? You just went about me.
Yeah, I know. Sorry. I'm not that far, though. You can still stay alive.
I died.
You can. Oh well. Just start over. I just told you. You can still stay long. You can still stay alive longer than me. You never know when I'm die.
No, this time we can't die this time.
Okay.
This time we gotta stay on track.
Yeah, I know. What do you think I'm doing? I'm going into pro mode.
And inside the sky, all the trees come by.
I don't know, you guys. I just want to do that. Let's go. We completed a word. It was go. I don't know why, but it was.
Did you die yet?
Nope.
I didn't either. If you die,
I know, you guys.
then
You could have got that gingerbread,
no
man.
Coming back.
I know.
I'm gonna clap for the person who won. And it'll probably be me. Did you die? Tell me
No.
when you die. Because I never know. Seen it all.
You guys don't tell her, but I did die.
You gotta stay on track. No eating Fruit Loops. If you eat a Fruit Loop, then you gotta lose on purpose. So, did you eat a Fruit Loop, Carson?
Nope.
And I died. How, of course. How happy.
Let's go. I won.